Nurgalieva. I am won Comrades 2012. Sure, 7 times it's a good result, and I am a little bit proud myself. But it's not finish goal, because Fordyce won 9 times. Why not? Maybe next time again will be successful Comrades for me. So I will try. I will training again hard for new achievements, new goals. I improve my results in the ultra marathons, and it is thanks for Adidas for support and for cooperation.